look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Pretty boy. Oh my god. What are you doing?
Look out, because when a mare's having a bad day, she's like a hormonal pregnant woman. Everyone's on her shit list.
Slip fire.
There he is. The perfect man.
You got no teethies, look. You got no teethies. Oh my god. He's got no teeth. Come.
Oh no, my brain. It's broke.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
You know, you can just tell when there's something special about a horse. Like Pal here, I can just tell that someday he's gonna make really great.
Watch this little guy. Fastest damn horse we have.
Hijo, ¿cómo le haces al caballo para que ande? ¿Cómo le haces? Hazle el caballo para que ande.
¿No quiere andar?
Hazle, hazle. Dile caballo, caballo, vamos.
Na, ist der putzig. Vorsicht, Mr. Spuck, vielleicht schnappt er.
Have you guys ever seen how big a lion is? Zulu, come up, 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 up. Oh yeah, big boy. There you go. Look how big he is. Truly amazing. That's what makes them the king of the jungle.
Every horse deserves, at least once in its life, to be loved by a little girl.
Ja. Ich wusste es.